Maintaining a healthy diet doesn't mean sacrificing delicious food. Here are some ways to enjoy good food while keeping your body healthy. Focus on whole foods. Base your meals around whole, minimally processed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are packed with essential nutrients and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Portion control. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portion sizes. And listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Cook at home. Cooking at home allows you to have control over the ingredients and cooking methods used in your meals. Experiment with different recipes and cooking techniques to keep things interesting. Include a variety of foods. Aim for a colorful plate by including a variety of fruits and vegetables in your meal. Different colored fruits and vegetables provide a range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are beneficial for health. Balance macronutrients. Ensure that your meals contain a balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. This balance helps provide sustained energy, supports muscle repair and growth, and keeps you feeling full. Limit added sugars and processed foods. Minimize your intake of foods and beverages high in added sugars, refined carbohydrates, and processed ingredients. These foods can contribute to weight gain, inflammation, and various health problems when consumed in excess. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger, so staying hydrated can help prevent unnecessary snacking. Practice mindful eating. Slow down and savor your meals, paying attention to the flavors, textures, and sensations of eating. Mindful eating can help you better recognize when you're full and prevent overeating. Plan ahead. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to avoid making unhealthy food choices out of convenience. Having healthy options readily available can help you stick to your dietary goals. Indulge in moderation. It's okay to enjoy your favorite treats occasionally, but practice moderation. Allow yourself to indulge in small portions of your favorite foods without guilt, and focus on overall balance and moderation in your diet. By incorporating these strategies into your lifestyle, you can enjoy delicious food while nourishing your body and maintaining good health.